It's been a sunny and dry day for the majority of South Africa with a warm afternoon over the interior. On our satellite, you'll see a wee cold front brushing along the southern and southeastern coastline, bringing in some cloud and keeping temperatures cool. And we saw thundershowers forming over the northeastern part of Gauteng as well as into Mpumalanga on Wednesday afternoon. A ridging high follows that cold front and it brings in cool air over the eastern part of the country on Thursday. It also brings in rainfall mainly for KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern part of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. We'll see quite a bit of thundershower developments into the afternoon and evening, especially from the northwest and the northern Cape all the way through to the eastern interior, but at the dry forecast in the west where we can expect a warmer day on Thursday. Strong winds are expected along the eastern Cape coastline with a southwesterly wind for Cape Town and Vredendal, and moderate to fresh winds are forecast over the northeastern interior. They say Weather Service have issued a high fire danger warning on Thursday with runaway fires possible within the shade of red. You'll see a predominantly dry day for the northern Cape, 35 degrees for Uppington, 27 for Springbok, 32 for Pietersburg and Kimberley, with a possibility of afternoon and evening thundershowers. It'll be a dry day throughout the western Cape, Cape Town at 25 degrees, with a maximum of around 30 across the interior, partly cloudy and mild for George at 23. Quite a mixture of temperatures throughout the eastern Cape, 20 for East London with a possibility of rainfall, 22 for Grahamstown and Bishu, 28 though as we head towards Graafrenet, with a few thundershowers spilling over into the far northern part of the province. We'll see a much cooler day with a chance of rain throughout KwaZulu-Natal. A high of around 20 is forecast along the coast, 18 degrees for Pietermaritzburg, with that cooler and wet weather moving in over the eastern part of Mpumalanga, 17 for Bombela, with a mild day for Secunda and eMalahleni at 22. You'll also see that cooler weather and the possibility of rainfall pushing in over the eastern part of Limpopo, partly cloudy and warm though for Thabazimbi at 27 degrees. Dry for Rustenburg with a maximum of 26, with a warm afternoon and the possibility of thundershowers for the rest of the northwest. You'll also see afternoon and evening thundershowers throughout the Free State, Bloemfontein at 27 and a high of around 20 for Bethlehem and Harrismith. Gauteng can expect a mild to warm Thursday afternoon, Soweto and Pretoria both in the mid-20s, with thundershowers starting to push in over the southern part of the province. Johannesburg and Vereeniging both at 23 degrees. On Friday, we're expecting partly cloudy and warm weather in the northeast, with another cool day over the southern parts. That band of thundershowers continues across South Africa all the way into the weekend, where we can expect cooler weather and rainfall into KwaZulu-Natal. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great one.